Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi has also called for a meeting of all the party general secretaries in the wake of the party's dismal performance. With a massive drubbing in 2014, the Congress High Command is expected to seek a report from the state in charges. Headlines today is Ashar Ahmad Khan now joins me live. Former Ashar, while the BJP at this point in time is ironically looking forward to chart the future course of action in Jammu and Kashmir and Jharkhand, it appears that the Congress is looking backwards. They're trying to introspect on the poll drubbing of 2014.
Well, we've seen that after the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, there has not been any major exercise within the Congress party as far as reshuffle is concerned or other portfolio allocations within the Congress organization is concerned. But what we've seen that in the last couple of months, Rahul Gandhi in batches of 10 to 11 people has been meeting senior leaders of the Congress party. He's trying to ascertain, and what we've learned from our sources is that those are very free and frank meetings. So this meeting also with the general secretaries would be to look at the issues which have been plaguing the Congress party, why it is not being able to connect with the Aam Aadmi, which has been its bedrock for the last so many years. But yes, as far as specific issues of these two states are concerned, it's highly unlikely that specific issues will be discussed in a meeting where all general secretaries are present. But yes, a general overall policy framework issue would be discussed.
All right, a general overall policy framework issue likely to be discussed in that crucial meeting where the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi has in fact called on all the general secretaries to perhaps introspect on 2014 as the election year and what has gone wrong with the party. Ashar Ahmad Khan is going to continue to track developments on that crucial meeting and bring us up to speed with all the latest. Thanks, Ashar, for joining us with that update.